G'day, I'm Matt Kruger from John Deere, and today I'm excited to be talking to you about the new S700 series combines. The S700 series combines feature a wide range of exciting new technology that we think is really going to benefit you out there in the field. The first thing you'll notice when you climb inside the cab of the S700 series is the redesigned command arm. However, this should be familiar to you. It's found in many of our John Deere tractors and also the Model Year 18 sprayers. The other thing you'll probably notice is the newly designed hydro handle. The newly designed hydro handle is a smooth, comfortable fit in the hand and also has the ability to reprogram some of the buttons. On the end of the command arm is a 4600 processor. This is the most powerful processor we've released to date, yet is also the most intuitive. We want you stepping out of the cab of a sprayer or the cab of a tractor into the combine and not needing to learn a whole heap of new processes. Let's talk about comfort. The new swivel seat has the ability to move to the right 7.5 degrees or move to the left 14 degrees. A great benefit when you're unloading on the go or you want to turn around and check what's going on in the bin. Finally, don't forget about the foot pegs. We know you spend many long hours in the cab during harvest. We want you to do it in comfort. Let's move on to the cleaning area. The S700 series combines feature the new Dynaflow Plus cleaning shoe. The Dynaflow Plus cleaning shoe has a longer bottom sieve. The longer bottom sieve allows grain to get away faster and up into the grain tank where it needs to be. How much faster? You're going to see an increase in capacity of 10 to 13% in wheat and canola. Let's talk about the Combine Advisor package. The Combine Advisor package is a great piece of technology that really helps you get the most out of your new S700 series combine. If you want your combine operating at peak performance for longer periods of the day, you need to check out the Combine Advisor package. Let me explain to you how it works. When you first pull into a field, you have the Integrated Combine Adjustment Wizard. The Integrated Combine Adjustment Wizard helps you get your combine operating at peak capacity faster by recommending settings for the type of crop you're harvesting. It also goes further than that. You can let it know what kind of condition the straw's in, what are the overhead conditions, and it'll also add on to the recommended settings and make slight adjustments. Let's say, for example, you're not happy with a part of how the combine's performing. Perhaps the tailing elevator is overloaded. The Integrated Combine Adjustment Wizard will then give you recommended settings to try and rectify this problem as quickly as possible. Now we're starting to get the combine set up. The next step in the process is Harvest Smart. Harvest Smart controls the forward speed of the combine when you're harvesting. It works on the pressure on the rotor and the loss sensors over the back of the rotor and the sieves to adjust forward speed accordingly. Harvest Smart has been around for a few years, but we've refined it with the S700 series. What you'll find in particular is when you're entering periods of lighter yielding crops, the system won't take off as fast as it used to, and it's also much smoother when you're unloading on the go. Another piece of the puzzle for the Combine Advisor package is Active Terrain Adjustment. Active Terrain Adjustment automatically makes adjustments to the cleaning fan speed and opens and shuts the top sieve and the bottom sieve when you're operating in slopes of 2 degrees or more. This is a great feature that you're really going to get a lot of benefit out of if you harvest in undulating terrain. Now, we've got the combine operating at peak performance. We want to maintain that. We hit maintain up there in the cab and the combine starts to do its thing. However, it hasn't finished there. Let's talk about the ActiVision cameras, one located on the tailings elevator and one on the clean grain elevator. These are more than just cameras, however. While they provide you with a live feed of what you're seeing in those elevators as you're harvesting, they also do analysis of that camera image. Let's say, for example, the cameras start to identify that there's some cracked grain in the sample. The combine will automatically start to make adjustments to reduce that cracked grain. The Combine Advisor package, getting the most out of your combine for longer periods during the day. Let's go and have a look at the 700D series draper. The new 700D series draper from John Deere. Probably the first thing you'll notice on the 700D is the size of the top cross auger. This 18-inch top cross auger is 50% larger than our previous versions. This is a great benefit to you if you direct harvest canola or harvest any other tall, bushier crops. It eliminates any dead spot behind the reel and allows for a smooth transition of crop along the side delivery belts into the centre feed section. Let's talk about another exciting feature, Active Yield. We know that when it's time to harvest, you want to be out there harvesting and not suffering downtime trying to calibrate a yield monitor. Active Yield drastically reduces calibration time. It measures a known quantity in the bin and cross-references this value with what the mass flow sensor has recorded. This occurs every binful, so you know that your yield data is as accurate as it's possible to be. Accurate data is important to you. We know that you make agronomic decisions from this yield monitor data. Be sure to check out Active Yield. If you want to find out how you can fill this grain tank in the fastest possible way, be sure to visit your local John Deere dealer.